This video will show you how to create problems with answers along an entire decision path. When your students first begin to become acquainted with your decision-making process, it can be helpful to provide answers along the way. One way to do this is to put the answer above in the text box. Here you may put something like scroll down to see the answer. To do this, press Enter on your keyboard as many times as necessary so students cannot see the answer right away unless they scroll down. Provide the students with the correct answer. You may also provide a conceptual explanation that should be very similar to the instruction they received in the learning module. Finally, it can be very helpful to show them how the definition they learned in the How Do I Decide relates to this specific problem. This can be a great learning experience for the students if they take it seriously. One of the things you can do to help them take it seriously is to let them know that this will prepare them for similar problems on their next quiz and/or midterm or final, where they will not have access to the decision model. For example, here is a multiple choice question that is completely aligned with this first decision point. After you select the correct answer in your own decision model, click Adapt Problem in order to replace the answer to the previous decision point with the answer to this new decision point. Scroll down to provide the answer for this decision point. This makes it possible for each decision point in the decision path to have a unique answer. Here is another way of creating problems with answers. In this next approach, the students will not see the answers until they click an option, whether it is right or wrong. After clicking the correct option, confidence interval estimation in this example, we are brought to a new decision. Type something like see the correct answer above. Then click Adapt, highlight the problem in order to replace it with the correct and incorrect answer, along with an explanation. Add a Proceed box. Click Adapt Problem so you can provide relevant information for this new decision point in the panel above. Add the ABC options above in the text box and below in the decision point, along with pertinent information. Click the correct option. Type again something like see the correct answer above in this box. Click Adapt Problem to show the students the correct answer. Type the correct answer. Type the incorrect options as well. Now let's see what this will be like for the students. This is the student view. Students read the problem, they select what they think is the right answer, and discover that they were wrong. The answer is actually, in this example, confidence estimation. And they learn the reason why. They click this little blue circle with the backward white arrow to see more of the decision model. Then go back and click on the right answer. Then click Proceed. They see the next decision point, which is essentially a multiple choice question. They run the calculation and choose B, and they learn that they are correct. If you would like this level of feedback for your students, determine which approach is most appropriate for your instructional goals.